Check it before you spread it. Hadith verification over Twitter. Many people use Twitter every day to post Islamic contents. Islamic contents include Quran verses, Prophet hadiths, and much more. Our project will focus on people who post Prophet hadiths on Twitter. But what's the problem with that?
Well, the problem is that when people are posting unaccepted hadiths or hadiths that have some errors such as spelling mistakes, missing, or extra words, this might lead to misconception of the meaning of the hadith. As a result, we have developed a Twitter bot that will automatically respond to users in real time, indicating the type of the hadith and whether it contains any errors. In addition to the Twitter bot, we have also created a web interface to check the authenticity of the hadith, as well as a REST API. We have created 3 different systems such that the Twitter bot can be used by Twitter users, the web interface can be used by web users, and the REST API can be used by developers and programmers. Now I will demonstrate how our project works.
Can be shown. Hadith verification website can be used to check the authenticity of hadiths. The user will have the option either to write the hadith at ادخل الحديث للتأكد من صحته or simply by pasting the link of the tweet which contains the hadith. The user will have also the option to check the authenticity either by using bigram or trigram index, which gives us, in fact, more accurate results. So, let's have an example. If the user wants to check the authenticity of the hadith, إذا ذكرتم بالله فانتهوا, but instead he wrote the result will be displayed. It's important to mention that modification comment will be shown only for the accepted types of hadith, and Hassan is one of them. If you are on Twitter and saw a posted hadith and you wonder, is it okay to share it? Here's the answer. What you can do is simply to copy the link and paste it on our website. Our website will help you. It will give you all the important details about the hadith and also correct any mistake that can be found. Developers can also benefit from our project. We will provide them with REST API. This API is also used with both bigram and trigram. So if you use the same example as the one before and copy the tweet ID and paste it, it will display the results. Note, the hadith itself can be also written instead of the tweet ID. Also, later the developer can then display the content in his own preferred way. Now, moving to our system. If the user posts a hadith that exists in our database, let's say a falsified hadith, our system will auto-reply to this user in real time, with a message stating the type of this hadith and some other details. It will also mention that it should not be shared. So, let's try to post one. We have to wait a few seconds. We can refresh the page now. Here's the auto-reply message. It's important to mention that our system will modify the mistakes found only in the accepted types of hadith. We hope that by doing what we did in this project, we were able to raise people's awareness of the importance of double-checking hadiths before publishing them on social media, particularly Twitter. Thank you.